how to fix and solve login problem on your CapCut application. Hello everybody, in today's video we will be giving you some steps in order to do so. So first of all, let's head over to settings for that and go over the connections. And if you're using any kind of Wi-Fi or mobile data, make sure you have a stable internet connection because that may be the issue you are not able to have logged in into the application. Apart from that, what you can do is try logging in into the application again, CapCut, and see if that works. And sometimes the server status may be down, so check that as well. And what you can do is you can clear the app's cache. Long press on the app for that. Go to the app info section and access the settings. And from here, scroll through the given options and go to storage. And basically look out for the option called clear cache and clear data. That will resolve issues caused by the corrupted data. So you can go ahead and do so. Apart from that, you can long press on the app and try uninstalling the application and again reinstalling the application and see if that works. And also ensure that you are using the latest version. Go to Play Store for that. Go to the search in the bottom right and search for CapCut. And then basically look out for update if there is any kind of update available for the particular app that you're using. That will often help you solve the issues to help you fix the bugs. Apart from that, you can restart your app, your device as well. Long press on your power button and restart your whole device. Also, open up the app again, and that can also resolve various app issues. If none of those steps work, you can directly contact the CapCut support for further assistance. But that's it. These are the solutions you can try using and see if that works. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.